Welcome to Beauty Luxurious Multinational Terraz Company. We are honored to have you here. Beautiful, luxurious multinational. Terraz Company for new modern technology standards. Innovations luxurious wood industries with European standards kitchens, dressing room, modern cabinetry and standard furniture decoration since 16 years. Wood is one of nature's most beautiful materials. At Beauty Terraz Company, we transform it into standard kitchens, dressing room, and cabinetry that combines elegance, strength, and timeless appeal. The first impression of any interior begins with its furniture. Our kitchens, dressing rooms, and modern decoration collections are designed to make that impression unforgettable. At Beauty Terraz Company, we create kitchens, dressing room, and modern decoration that reflects quality, craftsmanship, and innovation designed to enrich homes and lifestyles. Designed for comfort, built for life. Environmentally, eco-friendly, standard quality, modern interiors, and excellent service. Beautiful, luxurious multinational Terraz Company, simply the best. Thank you for your attention. Wishing you and your family a peaceful month filled with blessings, happiness, love, respect, safety, health, wealth, success, and prosperity. Joyful. God bless you. Order now.